the cat. Pete's big lunch. Lunch? Here comes Pete. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. Ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Okay. A sandwich? Yeah, that would be great too. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opened the fridge. Opened the fridge with his hand. Or pow. Pow, I mean. Pow. Bread. Mayo. Milk, whatever just in here. He takes out a loaf of bread. He found a yummy fish. He added some tomato and mayo. Pete looked at the sandwich. It is too small. Too small. Anyways, where's the bread? I mean toast or yeah. Something is missing. Pete knows what it is. Sandwich needs an apple. He added an apple. Pete loves apples. I don't think this is a real story. This is what happened. His sandwich crackers. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Crackers. Okay. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looked at his sandwich again. It is too small. It's too small? I don't think it's. I didn't mean that. Pete is very hungry. Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds a cheese. Pete adds an 2 hot dogs, a banana, a can of beans. Something is missing. Pete adds ice cream. He is taking out 3 huge scoops. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what do Pete think and think. I've got it. Pete got all of it. A cat. He asks them to come over. All this? I don't know how he does that. At once. To try. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They're all very hungry. Wait. What is going on here? Didn't I tell you again? Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asked Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Pete's sandwich is all done. Pete's friends are full. They like Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. They're all saying this. They're all saying thank you. You're welcome, Pete said. Sharing is cool.
Thank you. That is my phone.
The end. You know when you there's there's an email like on M, orange circle and M. You know when you click on the screencast-o-matic, you're gonna come on this and then click on start recording for free. When you see this, when you click on screencast-o-matic under my videos, you're gonna see the screencast-o-matic. Click on the start recording for free, like I said, and then click on launch recording for free, launch free recording. And thanks for watching, everyone. That's all for today. And this forgot to say, recorded with screencast-o-matic. See you guys on Epic some more. Bye.